What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Xiaomi Theme Hub YouTube channel, where I share stunning Chinese exclusive themes that you can install on international Xiaomi phones. Just like my previous videos, today I'll show you another Chinese region theme that can be installed on global Xiaomi devices. To install Chinese exclusive themes on the international Xiaomi ROM, we need to use the backup and restore method. This backup and restore solution is compatible with Xiaomi phones from MIUI 13 to the newest HyperOS versions. All the themes featured in this video are included in a backup file in the video description. You can download it and use the backup and restore method to install them on your global Xiaomi device. If you don't know how to use the backup and restore method to install Chinese themes, you can check out the full tutorial linked in this video's description. Now, let's go through some of the key highlights of the themes included in this pack before applying them to your Xiaomi global phone. All the themes featured in this video are included in a backup file in the video description. Download it and use the backup method to install it on your global Xiaomi device. If you don't know how to apply the method, just refer to the step-by-step guide, also linked in the description below. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.